I'm Batman.
Love that sound. And foot on the brake. There you go. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're on the work in this beautiful G35. Right now as well. Soon to be the video, by the way. Today we are going to work on the G once more. And I'm going to do something I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Putting the decals on this bad boy. I bought the decals a really long time ago and I've been storing it because I was trying to do the polish and compound on this car. Today I'm gonna skip all that and I'm gonna install the decals of the Batman build. Stick around.
I'm Batman.
Only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray.
You don't have any special powers.
Oh, I have one, Johnny. I never give up.
It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me. I'm Batman.
I am not a disgrace. I am vengeance. I am the night. I am Batman!
I'm Batman.
You don't have any special powers.
Oh, I have one, Johnny. I never give up.
So here it is, guys. What do you guys think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I personally love everything about this build right now. From the Batman decal on the fender to the Wayne Industry on the quarter panel to the YouTube Wrenchettes decal with the white shadow on the window and the white series on the trunk. Man, I am loving this thing. I can't tell you guys how happy I am. I put these stickers. And, you know, seeing the scratches, it gives it, you know, like a little bit of character. I wish I could have done the compound and the polish, but that would be for another learning video. Now, this is part 1 of a part 2 or maybe part 3 series of completing the decals on the G. Some of the bats are missing. I may put it on, I may not. Let's see how things go. But the last piece will be the Batman wing. So if you guys enjoyed this content, please give me a like. If you're new, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time, guys. God bless.